Welcome to Festive Flavors. Are you tired of having the same bread breakfast at home? Look no further. Today we are going to cook a South Indian snack or breakfast, bread upma. It can be made with leftover bread or fresh bread with just a few ingredients at home. Prepare a scrumptious breakfast in just under 15 minutes. It is spicy and tangy and a great way to kickstart your brain in the morning. Please watch the video till the end to view the tips and tricks and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your friends and family. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Also, tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Show me your creation on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook with tag @FestiveFlavors and #FestiveFlavors. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Let's look at the ingredients. Bread 5, onions ½ cup chopped, tomatoes 1 chopped, green chilies 4 to 5, curry leaves 4 to 5, coriander leaves 1/4 cup chopped, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt to taste, oil 1 tablespoon. Let's get started. First, take the bread pieces and cut them into cubes as shown in the video. Keep them aside. Now in a pan add oil, add cumin seeds and let them crackle. Now add mustard seeds, curry leaves and green chilies. Add chopped onions, saute for a minute so that they soften a little bit. Now add turmeric powder, chili powder, and chaat masala. Mix everything. Now add chopped tomato, salt and mix. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the bread cubes and mix well. Coat the bread cubes with the masala of onion and tomatoes. You will not need to add water as the juices of tomatoes would be enough to coat all the bread cubes. Keep cooking for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat so that the bread becomes a little crispy. Garnish with chopped green coriander leaves. Utterly delicious, spicy and tangy bread upma is ready to be plated. Add a few more coriander leaves and serve it with tea. Enjoy! Now let's look at the tips and tricks for making bread upma. You can use brown bread for making bread upma. Cut bite-sized pieces of bread. You can add peanuts and cashews while making the tempering of mustard seeds and curry leaves. You can also add vegetables like peas, carrots, capsicum to make it even more tasty and healthy. Do not use water as the juices from tomatoes will help the masala to stick to the bread cubes. In the end, fry over medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes to make the bread upma crispy. Let's look at the ingredients. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.